How to buy IP token on KuCoin. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available right now on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token on KuCoin, click on market here. As you can see, now you'll be able to find KuCoin and click on its pair, and you will be able to relax your account on KuCoin. So if you don't have an account on KuCoin, go down in the description. You will be able to find a referral link. Go and create an account on KuCoin and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on KuCoin and fund it with some USDT, you will be able to log into your account and click on buy here and select the limit. Now here type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account and click here on buy IP. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much your percentage, or you can set the percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account. So you can just type how much you want to buy of that USDT or use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and here click on buy IP. So this is how to buy IP on KuCoin. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.